All right, there's our prop hub. It already broke loose. Try to push that out without cutting my finger. All right, so we got it out, we got it cut out, but you notice it did not go all the way through. But I know it's close because I can see, I don't know if I can get this, I can see the indentation. So holes are drilled out. I may have to take my knife and just kind of carve that out. Just gonna try to tack this thing on real quick. Woo! So I was trying to figure out what I smelt burning after I got through laser welding. Check that out. I lasered my glove. All right, after lasering my finger, we're going to be more careful here. Welds are kind of getting in the way too. I'm at it. So I'm gonna drill each one of those out like this one. I'm gonna take out, drill it until they all kind of recess. Let's see if we're touching anywhere. Nope, still seems to be free flowing. I don't see anything that's really gonna fly in there and do too much damage. Oh man, that's a lot of power. Oh my gosh. Oh, 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 those were touching. We don't want that. This is only a 2. Let's go 3. Shit. I need to get behind something. Oh my gosh. That's a lot of power. Let's go 5, just real quick. I wish I knew how much thrust that had. All right, this is 5, full throttle here. Oh shit. That is super good.